On me, right?
Yeah, it's done.
And this has already started up?
Yeah, that's it.
All right, let's roll. The American M1117 armored security vehicle was developed by Cadillac Gauge based on the Commando family. Those earlier variants were used to guard bases during the Vietnam War. And the M117 is basically the refined, upgraded version. Better armor protection, better maneuverability. Now, about the unit working with this platform. It was designed for very specific mission sets. The US military police were the ones who ordered it. And the main missions they used it for were
Area patrols.
convoy security.
Yeah, exactly. Securing military bases.
Support the channel with a like and subscribe.
A solid machine built for niche, specialized tasks.
What exactly do you mean? Where can it be used in modern battlefield conditions?
This model is used mostly for reconnaissance tasks or escort missions. Escort runs, cover teams. Get a group in, get them out.
There are ramps on both sides where the crew enters. Let's climb in, and then you can explain what's inside.
Climbing in.
This is the gunner station. The turret's enclosed, and it rotates 360 degrees. Can you show how it turns?
Right side, left side. You've got a lever here. And then it turns. A bit heavy though.
And here's the marking for firing from covered positions.
From covered positions, yeah. You get enemy coordinates sent to the tablet. You punch them in, and then they tell you the azimuth and elevation. Elevation is how much you raise the gun. Azimuth is how far you rotate the turret to the side. For example, they tell you, turn the turret to 100. That means the enemy is to your right or left at that bearing, so you rotate to 100. Here's the center mark. And elevation. You lift the gun to the angle needed for that distance, and then you fire. After that, a drone adjusts your shots. Manually, it's slower. But the electric drive rotates the turret in any direction way faster.
So basically, you can control the turret with this joystick as well? I see optics here too.
Yeah, night optics. And a rangefinder as well.
Yeah, I see it.
It rotates too. You adjust everything here.
Your distance.
And this part lifts. It's designed for a 40mm grenade launcher.
Ah, for the MK19?
Yeah. This lever lifts the weapon, and here's your distance scale. You can raise it to match that range and fire accurately out to those distances.
All right, let's see what else we've got here.
This is another seat for the dismount. The driver sits on the left, the commander on the right. The vehicle has AC. It's warm. Nobody's freezing in here. You can ride in winter in any temperature.
And in summer, that's just as important because the armor heats up like crazy.
No. You flip the AC to cold, set your temperature, and ride like you're in a good imported car.
All right, let's keep going and show people what else is here. And up front, you've got a winch.
Here's where the cable runs. You pull it out, and the commander switches on the motor, and that's how you recover the vehicle. Plus, you can pull out another vehicle the same way. If someone's stuck, you drive up, hook the winch to their ride, and pull them in.
And now, let's show our viewers where that extra seat is. As we figured out from the markings inside.
It's strictly for the mechanic. He keeps his tools here. Everything needed to repair the vehicle.
There's access to the engine bay, and we also saw special mounts for the grenade launcher. And if needed, someone can pop out from here and provide covering fire with, as I understand it, an AT-4. You can't really evacuate wounded in this thing, right?
Not much room for evacuation in this specific modification. There is a troop transport variant, but that's a different machine. You can haul cargo, bring something in or out. That's doable. And considering the armor here is pretty solid, it stops a 12.7mm armor-piercing round. The belly is protected too. Better protected than a Humvee, and way better than any pickup. Though honestly, most of our work still gets done on pickups. On the right side of the vehicle is the master power switch. That's what powers the whole electrical system. Turn it right. Done. That's the main cutoff key. And then we climb in.
All right, I'll go first, the delicate one. It's a diesel engine, 260 horsepower, 6-speed transmission. From what I understand, the gear shifts are button-based, neutral, reverse, forward. It's even written here. You can see the speed for each gear. So if we switch to 6th gear, that's max speed. 100 kilometers per hour, 62 miles per hour. What's the fastest you've pushed it on the road?
We hit around 80 kilometers per hour, 50 miles per hour. Didn't go faster. The roads just didn't allow it. Another thing, it's got 2 fuel tanks, left and right. That's marked on the panels too.
And the tanks, what's their capacity?
One tank is 90 liters, about 24 gallons. Both together, 180 liters, about 48 gallons.
And fuel consumption, roughly how much?
About 30, let's say around that. On a full tank, you can drive roughly 700 kilometers, about 435 miles. That's probably on asphalt.
Starting it up, here's the switch. Toward yourself, then up.
Good.
So that's already the legal starting procedure?
Yeah, that's it. Here's the gear. See? Neutral.
Got it. Now drive. And now everything's set.
Release the brakes and go. And we're moving.
Wow, the steering is really light. I'm guessing it's hydraulic?
Yes. Very good hydraulics for such a heavy machine.
Let's tuck it over there.
Neutral, handbrake, and kill the engine.
Toward me, right?
Yeah. Then return it to its resting position and switch off the master power. Done. The vehicle is shut down. Only the central master switch left. And that's it.
You've now received new vehicles. And as I understand, some of them are already undergoing modifications. You're wrapping them in grille armor, upgrading them for modern battlefield conditions. And you're also looking for new specialists. You're choosing people for your crew. Who exactly are you looking for?
We're always short on people, especially smart ones. Energetic guys who want victory, who want to do something. And specifically for this vehicle, we're looking for enthusiasts, drivers.
Mechanized drivers?
Yeah, mech drivers, tractor operators. Practice shows that tractor operators make the best drivers for armored vehicles. Drivers, gunners, and people who can operate at night. That's not easy. Night work with night vision. Not everyone can handle that, as practice shows.
And let's show the viewers what it looks like from above, from the turret, where the machine gun is mounted. Here's the Browning, right?
Here's the Browning. And the MK19 can be mounted here too.
And there's the mounting bracket.
For the machine gun.
And the triplex, it's also mounted 360 degrees, so the crew gets a full 360-degree view.
Yes, yes. And behind, the smoke launchers. 4 on each side. You know, I once had this desire to take Crimea back. I really believed we'd get it back. Today, I understand that would take a titanic amount of work. When the war first started, the draft offices had lines around the block because people got scared for their homes. But when the front line shifted away, The people who weren't near those lines suddenly felt like everything just happens on its own out there. So to the people watching us from the other side of the screen, you can come. Yes, the work is dangerous. But that's life. Life is turbulent. I don't want the enemy coming here. This is our home. We're the ones in charge here. And as long as we can hold, we will hold. And I believe they'll lose this war anyway.